Chalo. So while you give me the details, I'll start with the session. Okay. Those of you who joined late, please give these details. Yeah. Now, the topic which we are learning today, I have already given a brief intro of what we are going to do today. So please participate in the session. It's very important because on the basis of that only I'll be able to observe whether you should start early or not. It definitely matters, right? And the topic which we are learning is trigonometry. So any one of you who is aware about trigonometry, this is the first topic of basic mathematics in physics in my foundation program. Basic maths, why we learn basic maths? Because basic maths is a thing which actually enables us to learn physics quickly and more of applied physics, right? So all of you, anyone who is aware about trigonometry? Anyone? Sharda, are you aware about trigonometry? No? Okay. Atharv?
We do have
Any
it
idea?
this year, but we haven't started it yet.
Okay.
Sir.
Atharv? No
No, sir.
idea. Karishma?
No.
Sanvi?
Yes, I do have some idea about it.
Okay. Okay.
Trigonometry is the study of relationship of the angles and sides of a triangle, and to say more specifically, a right angle triangle.
Very good. So trigonometry is, so I'm teaching all of you, right? While I teach, please don't write. Please pay attention, 100% attention on the screen. I'll give you enough time to write, and even I'll share the recordings with you. So please don't worry about missing few notes and all. I'll wait for you till the time you complete it. Okay. So pay attention and participate. So trigonometry is a branch of mathematics where we learn about the relations between the sides and the angles of a triangle, preferably a right angle triangle as she said, right? So now based on, so we are discussing a right angled triangle only. So this is a right angle triangle. Now today, I think most of you will become aware that depending on the choice of angle, there are two acute angles you can see here. So this is the 90-degree right angle triangle. This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay. And this angle is, so choosing, there are two angles, two acute angles you can see here. So let's say this angle is some angle theta. So this symbol is called as theta and it's a Greek alphabet, right? So depending on the choice of the angle, the sides of the triangle are named accordingly, right? So what you do is you stand here at this angle. Now identify which is the closest, sorry, not the closest, which is the longest side of the triangle. All of you. Which is the longest side of the triangle? हेलो हेलो आप लोग कोई भी
80.
अनम्यूट करके, हाँ वेरी
80.
गुड, AC है ना?
इधर पढ़ा.
All of you can participate. Beta, all of you should participate. Please don't feel shy in answering it, right? You can unmute and ask,
Okay.
answer. So AC is the side which is the longest side, and this side is called as hypotenuse. So this side will be longest for any of the angles you choose. So hypotenuse remains as it is for all the angles. Now, which side is closest to this red man other than hypotenuse? Which side is closest to this man?
AB.
AB, right? Very good. So AB is the side which is closest to the man, and this side is therefore called as base of the triangle, capital B. When we are using this angle theta. Now there is a third side which is left now. The side opposite to theta, the side opposite to the angle is called as perpendicular. The side opposite to the angle is called as perpendicular P. Right? I hope all of you understood this. Say yes or no. If you have understood, please say yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, my question to all of you is, and this is what you will answer in the comment window. If I choose this angle, let's say this angle is phi. So this is also in Greek alphabet. We call this as phi. Phi. Huh? If I take phi as the angle, which side will be perpendicular and which side will be base? Hypotenuse remains as it is. So please type your answers in the comment window. Which side will be base for phi and which side will be perpendicular? Please type it quickly. I know all of you are aware of this. Yes. Very good, Athar. Very good, Sanvi. Very good, Dhruv. Sharda, very good. Good. So almost all of you have answered it. Karishma, where is your answer? I'm waiting for your answer. Very good, Karishma. So you guys got the idea of what is perpendicular and what is base. So before I move ahead, I just repeat for the newcomers, please type your name, your parents' name, and their contact number in the comment window. It is mandatory. It saves us a lot of time. Right? Yeah. So then comes once we are aware about which side is base, which side is perpendicular, which side is hypotenuse for a given angle of the triangle. Now, the next step is how they are related, how the sides and the angles of a triangle are related. So the sides and the angles of triangle, the sides and the angles of the triangle are related by trigonometric functions, right? So there are 6 basic trigonometric functions, which are, the first one is sine. This function is pronounced as sine, right? In short, it is written as sin. So don't pronounce it as sin, okay? It is sine. Second one is cosine. In short, it is written as cos. Third one is tangent. In short, it is written as tan. Fourth one is cosecant. In short, it is written as cosec. Fifth one is secant. In short, it is written as sec. And the last one is cotangent. In short, it is written as cot. So sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cot. These are the 6 basic functions of trigonometry, right? All of you understood till this point? Any queries you have, please ask. Don't write, don't make notes. I'll give you time to make notes. But any queries till this point? Anything which you like to ask here? No? Chalo. So if you have any queries, you can definitely stop me and ask. You can raise your hand and you can ask. Now, as I said that these are the trigonometric functions which relates the sides and the angles of triangle. So every function gives us a unique relationship between the angle and the sides of the triangle. Every function gives a unique relation between the sides and the angle of the triangle. How? So let's try to find out. First one is, the input which is given is of angle. So sine of angle theta. So every function needs some kind of input, right? For example, the functioning of your television requires the pressing of the remote buttons, right? So that is the input which you are giving it. So here also we are giving the input of angle to the function, trigonometric function. So sine of theta is equal to, is given as, how it is related with the sides? It is related like this. It is related as perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Second one, cos theta. Cos theta is related as base upon hypotenuse. Third, tan theta. It is given as ratio of sine to cos theta, or it is P upon H upon B upon H, or it is P upon B only. Okay. Then comes the fourth one, which is cosec theta. It is nothing but 1 upon sine theta. These three, the fourth, fifth, and sixth ones, are inverse of the first three. It is H upon P. This is the relation between the sides. Then comes sec theta. It is 1 over cos theta, which is H upon B. And the last one is cot theta. It is 1 upon tan theta, which is B upon P. Got it? All of you? So this is the relation between the sides and the angles of the triangle using each trigonometric functions, each one of these 6 trigonometric functions. There is a unique relationship, right? I hope all of you understood this till this point. Any queries you have? If you have. No? If you don't have any queries, please copy this quickly. And once you are done making notes, please make neat notes, okay? So that you can refer to it when you go back. So make notes. And once you are done writing notes, please type done in the comment window. Once you are done noting the slide, please type done in the comment window. Okay? Please do it quickly. I haven't received, few of you haven't shared their details. Through Paliwal, you have to share the details. Your parents' name, your parents' name, and their contact number, WhatsApp number. Okay, Dhruv? Realme 85G. You have to start the camera and you have to change your name. What's your name, dear? Okay. If you are done writing it, please type done in the comment window. You have to switch on your camera when you are in the session. Please switch on your camera, or else I have to put you in the waiting room. So I'm giving you 5 minutes to join, to switch on your camera and log in with your correct name, or I'll not be able to allow you to join the session. So Okay. So I hope all of you have noted it. Type done if you are done. So we have Bansal, MG, Kumar. Please switch on your camera. Shreyank. It's important to attend the session. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, Shreyank. You are in which standard? Please share the details, Shreyank. These details, your name, parents' name, and contact number. In the comment window, you can address me personally, okay? On the personal wall, you can write it.
Okay, sir.
Shall we move ahead? Done, all of you? Noted it? If you have noted it, please type done in the comment window. Heads. Okay, no worries, MG. Okay, so most of you are done. Okay. Anybody else who is still writing and wants me to wait? Anyone who wants me to wait? Sharda, done? Sharda, Dhruv, Bansal, MG Kumar, Prakriti Sharma. Prakriti, please switch on your camera. Give me the details. Athar, noted, beta? Okay.
Okay.
Sanvi, I hope you are done. Okay. So let's move ahead. Karishma, you understood?
Yes.
Okay. So now, once we understand that how they are related, the sides and the angles are related, it's time to learn about the quadrants of a triangle. It's time to learn about the quadrants of a triangle. Sorry, quadrants of a circle, not triangle, my bad. It's time to learn about the quadrants of a circle. So this is a circle. All of you can see this. And we divide this circle into 4 equal parts. Right? We divide this circle into 4 equal parts, and each part is a quadrant. So this is the first quadrant. This is the first quadrant. This is the second quadrant. This is the third quadrant. And this is the fourth quadrant. Right? So now this angle is 0 degrees. This angle is 0 degrees. This angle is 90 degrees. This is 180 degrees. This is 270 degrees. And this is 360 degrees. Okay? So you can see here, all of you can see here, that every quadrant, the first one, so anyone who wants to take a guess, first quadrant starts with which angle? You can switch on your mic and answer. First quadrant starts with which angle?
0 degree.
0 degrees. Very good. Your name is?
Simika, sir.
Simhika. Okay. You joined just now, right, Simhika?
Yes, sir.
Why you are late?
Sir, I was not able to connect.
Okay. So, ठीक है. So, this first quadrant starts with 0 degrees and ends at 90 degrees. Second quadrant starts at 90, ends at 180. Third quadrant starts at 180, ends at 270. And the fourth quadrant, it starts at 270, ends at 360 degrees. Right? So these are the 4 reference angles, we call them. What do we call these angles? Since they signifies the start or end of the angles, end of the quadrants. So these are called as reference angles. ठीक है बच्चों? These are called as reference angle. I hope all of you understood the meaning of reference angle, right? Now, as there are reference angles, now there are standard angles also. For every quadrant, there is a standard angle. So standard angles are, what we do is we divide the entire circle into sectors of 15 degrees each. Equal sectors of 15 degrees each. And standard angles are those angles which are most frequently used angles. So for the first quadrant, all of you can see, for the first quadrant, the standard angles are, for the first quadrant, the standard angles are 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees. So this angle is 30, this angle is 45, and this angle is 60 degrees. So these angles are called as standard angles, but they are of the first quadrant. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no? Hello. बेटा yes or no बोलना है ना? सबको बोलना है.
Yes, sir.
And I request all of you, again, those of you who have not shared the details, please share these details in the comment window. Your name, your parents' name, and contact them quickly. Your name, your parents' name, and contact them. Now, as there are standard angles of the first quadrant, there are standard angles of second, third, and fourth quadrant as well, right? So to find the standard angles of the second, third, and the fourth quadrant, first one is, there are two different rules which give us the same result. Add the standard angles of the first quadrant to the smaller reference angle of the respective quadrant. We add the standard angles of the first quadrant to the smaller reference angle of the respective quadrant. So all of you, any one of you who wants to participate, who wants to volunteer, let's call Sharda. Sharda, works for you?
Yes, sir.
Would you like to participate? Okay. So Sharda, for second quadrant, we want to find the reference standard angles, right? What does the rule say, Sharda? Read the rule first.
At the standard angles of the, I can't see it. There's something blocking it.
First quadrant.
First quadrant to the smaller reference angle of the respective quadrant.
Yeah. So what do you mean by that? Can you please try doing that for us? Which are the
Yeah,
standard
sure.
angles of the first quadrant?
30, 45, and 60 degrees.
So we write 30, 45, and 60. To these angles, what should we add? What does the rule says?
We need to add the smaller reference angle of the respective quadrant.
So we want to find the standard angles of second quadrant. So to these angles, we should add which angle? 90 and 180. Which one of these two angles?
90.
The smaller one, right? All of you understood?
Yeah.
For second quadrant, the reference angles were 90 and 180. We have to add the smaller angle, smaller reference angle to these angles. So 90 plus 30, 90 plus 45, 90 plus 60. So this is 120, 135, and 150 degrees. I hope this is clear to all of you. Yes or no? Kids, if you have understood it, please type yes. Okay, great. Anybody is having any doubts, you can raise your hand and ask me your doubts. Okay. Now, there is a second rule also, second way to find the angles also. So we will learn that also. Or second one is subtract the standard angles of the first quadrant from the larger reference angle. Larger reference angle of the respective quadrant. Okay. So, कौन है भाई? अथर्व, would you like to answer this?
Yes.
चलो बताओ how to do this. How to go for it. Yes, Athar.
180 minus the standard angles of the first quadrant.
Very good. So we can write these as 180 minus
60. 180
minus
minus
60.
60.
Very good. 180 minus
45.
45. This is 180 minus
30.
30 degrees. Very good. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no? So these are the standard angles of second quadrant. Okay. These are the standard angles of the second quadrant. Do the rest of them, second and third and fourth. So all of you, don't make notes now. First, you have to perform this exercise, do this exercise. Find the standard angles of the third and the fourth quadrants. Okay. Give me your answers in the comment window. While I check your answer, then you can note the slide. Okay. Please do the exercise first. Please send me your answers in the comment window, all of you. Very good, MG Kumar. Karishma, only one method will suffice, beta. If you do that, the first one or the second one, दोनों method में से कोई भी एक method use कर सकते हो आप. Okay? Good, very good. I am waiting for other answers, kids. Very good, Atharv. Very good. Very good, Sharda. Very good, Ashwari. Shukla ji, Shabash. Very good. हम इन फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में इट्स greater than fourth quadrant. Now, fourth quadrant mein the angle lies between 270 and 360. Your angles are going out. Please check. Very good, Sanvi. Shabash. Rest of you. Shreyank, your answer. Prakriti Sharma. Simhika, your answers. Those of you who have already given me the answers, please start noting it. Please make notes. Ha. Shreyank, yes, your answers are correct. Good. Simhika, you are in which standard? Have you shared the details? Your name, your parents' name, and contact number, Simhika. And you are in which standard?
Sir, this class is for which standard, sir?
You are in which standard?
Grade 12, sir.
Oh, this is for foundation program, 7th, 8th, and 9th. So for if you want to attend for 12th, you just ask. I'm sending you a number. You can type. You can note this number.
Yes, sir.
He is Mr. Rakesh Mishra.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and his number is 758-738-5521. So you can
Yes,
connect with him, and he will
yes,
tell you the
sir.
details about 12th standard
Okay,
classes.
sir. Sir, can I leave this session right?
Yeah. You should. You should. Why to waste time?
Sorry, sir. I
No
just.
worries. No worries. No worries. Please don't be sorry.
Yes,
Please
sir.
make notes. Bachcho, please make notes, beta. All of you have given me the correct answer. So no worries. Very good, kids. हाँ ध्रुव तुम्हारे लिए भी नहीं है ये तुम्हारे लिए भी अच्छा I'll give you the number just a second हाँ this is the number 758-738-5521 for 10th standard kids we are starting a different program so you can connect with this gentleman and he will help you with that. Hmm?
Sir, sorry, sir. I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, please ask.
Sir, is there any like programs for grade 12 IIT JEE coaching, sir?
I have given you the number. He will help you, that gentleman.
Okay, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Most welcome. If you have noted it, if you have made the notes, please type done in the comment window. Chalo, I hope all of you have noted it. So, anybody is still writing? Karishma, done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Atharv,
Yes, sir.
Sanvi, Sharda, Aishwarya, Bansal,
Well done. Yes, sir.
noted all everyone? Okay, ठीक है. So now comes the next, some more about quadrants. So this is again the quadrants which we have. Okay. Now every quadrant has a unique feature. So we are talking about trigonometric values. So trigonometric values are the sine, cos, and tan of the angles. ठीक है? Trigonometric values are the sine, cos, and tan of the angles. We are discussing only these three functions because the next three of them, that is cosec, sec, and cot, are inverse of these. So we are not bothered by those three. We will focus on these first three trigonometric functions. So trigonometric values are the sine, cos, and tan of the angles. So the first quadrant says, in the first quadrant, this is the rule for first quadrant. All the trigonometric values, or I should write trigonometric values of all the angles of the first quadrant are positive, right? So what do I mean by this? I'll explain this to you. So 0 degrees से लेके 90 degrees तक, okay? Sine of all the angles between 0 and 90. You can take any angle. Let's say 46 degrees. Will it be positive or negative? It will be positive, right? Cos of say 38 degrees. Will it be positive or negative? It will be positive. Tan of say 21 degrees. Positive or negative? Positive, right? I hope I got this into your brain. Yes or no? Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
शाबाश. हाँ ना
Hello,
बोलना है बेटा, है ना?
Can you
हाँ हाँ.
explain?
Yeah, you are.
Sir, can you explain?
What's your name, dear?
Sir, Ashwin.
हाँ, ऐश्वर्य. यहाँ पे क्या बोला है बेटा? Trigonometric values of all the angles of the first quadrant are positive. Trigonometric values क्या है ऐश्वर्य? Sin, cos और tan की वैल्यू. tan है एंगल्स का. हमने देखा था ना अभी एंगल्स का ही हम sin, tan, cos निकालते हैं. आया ना?
Yes, sir.
तो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में ऐश्वर्य जितने भी एंगल्स हैं, ऑल द एंगल्स बिटवीन 0 एंड 90, उन सबका साइन, कॉस और टैन पॉजिटिव होता है. यही लिखा है बेटा. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक वैल्यूज ऑफ ऑल द एंगल्स ऑफ द फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट आर पॉजिटिव. फॉर
Okay, sir.
एग्जांपल, तुम्हारे साथ एक तुमसे ही पूछता हूं मैं. एक बात बताओ, साइन ऑफ 75 डिग्रीज ये पॉजिटिव होगा या नेगेटिव होगा? दिस एंगल लाइज इन विच क्वाड्रेंट ऐश्वर्य?
First quadrant.
फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट. तो साइन पॉजिटिव होगा या नेगेटिव होगा इस रूल के हिसाब से?
Positive.
पॉजिटिव. यही लिखा है. ठीक है, यू गॉट इट.
Okay, sir.
डन. चले आगे यहां से. गुड. सो सेकेंड इज, इन द सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट only sine of all the angles of the second quadrant is positive. इसका मतलब cos and tan are negative in it, right? For example, sine of 120 degrees. 120 degree lies in which quadrant? Sanvi, can you please tell? 120 degree lies in which quadrant?
Second quadrant, sir.
Second quadrant. So sine will be positive or negative in the second quadrant?
It will be positive, sir.
According to the rule, this is positive. What about tan 120 degrees, Sanvi?
It will be negative, sir.
Yes, it is negative according to the rule. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no? Karishma, समझ आया बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So can you tell
Ashwin,
why this is why in second quadrant it is
you are?
sign is positive and other is Bansal here?
Sir, you are a student or a
No,
father?
sir, I'm student's parent.
Sir, actually, this is for students because this is way above their grade. So I'm just trying to maintain it.
No, I'm just asking कि a student should know. No, this is you have told the
Sir,
rule.
नहीं.
But
Sir,
what is the
sir,
logic
sir,
behind it?
sir,
That
sir,
also should be mentioned,
sir,
right?
सर. सबसे पहले तो मैंने, आई एम सॉरी, ये क्लास सर पेरेंट्स के लिए है नहीं.
नहीं सर, पेरेंट्स
और
मतलब
दूसरी
कि
बात, और दूसरी बात,
what
दूसरी
I'm
बात,
what I'm
ये
saying
बच्चे हैं
is,
सर, सर सुनिए मेरी बात सुनिए,
हाँ जी सर।
7th 8th 9th, सर ये छोटे बच्चे हैं सर। एक साथ अगर इतना सारा लॉजिक 1 घंटे में अगर आज मैं पढ़ाने लगूं तो बहुत बड़ी दिक्कत है सर। इसलिए
अच्छा,
सर, हाँ मतलब आराम से सर, बहुत टाइम है हमारे पास,
अच्छा नहीं
है ना,
सर,
तो
ठीक है
मतलब
ठीक है।
हाँ हाँ, तो मतलब मेरी क्लास को प्लीज ऐसे, मतलब क्या होता है, ये बड़ा चैलेंज हो जाता है, मैं किसको
नहीं
पढ़ाऊं।
नहीं, मैं समझ गया सर, समझ गया
हाँ
सर,
हाँ,
अंडरस्टूड सर,
थैंक यू।
अंडरस्टूड।
So the third quadrant says only tan of all the angles of the third quadrant is positive। ठीक है, यहां पर साइन एंड कॉस आर negative in it। We will learn about these in the second class। We will learn about the logic also, but what happens is first you should be aware about the इंफॉर्मेशन ही नहीं है बेटा, तो किसको किसको क्वेश्चन करोगे, तो सबसे पहला नियम होता है कि यू शुड हैव इंफॉर्मेशन, राइट। सो वी विल लर्न अबाउट ऑल दीज लॉजिक्स, वी विल डू 3 sessions of trigonometry, so don't worry। So then comes the fourth quadrant, this is only cos of all the angles is positive in the fourth quadrant, right? So this is here sine and tan are negative in it, okay? So these are the rules, some more rules for the for the quadrants, ठीक है? So just try to process this, I am writing, don't make notes, I am giving you an exercise to perform. Once you do it, while I check, the same way we will do it for what we did for the previous slide, right? So meanwhile you just process the information. So the way I have mentioned the signs here, you have to mention these signs in front of the angles, and in this sequence you have to type in the comment window, right? चलो, so all of you please answer these questions in the same sequence। बेटा यही लिखना है ना आप लोगों को, just mention positive and negative, okay? So there are these 10 questions are there। प्रकृति एक सिंगल आंसर लिखना है बेटा, सिंगल क्वेश्चन, सिंगल उसमें है, सिंगल आंसर में, सिंगल मैसेज में आंसर करना प्लीज। Okay. I'm receiving few answers. Very good. Good. Very good, Sanvi. Your answers are correct. You can please make notes. Others? Very good, Prakriti. Answer the last one also. There is a 10th one also, 310 degrees. Very good, Shreyan. Sharda, check the third one. थर्ड वाला चेक करना बेटा. हाँ, शारदा. Yes. Very good, Athar. That's correct. Good. So I am waiting for your answers, kids. Please respond. Mhm. Please make notes, and once you are done with it, please type done in the comment window. Okay. If you have noted it, please type done. Okay, Sanvi done. Rest of you kids, please type done in the comment window if you are done with it. Okay. So I think most of you are done with it. Yes or no? All of you? Most of you are done with it? Sanvi, Athar, Vaishwarya, Karishma, Prakriti, Shreyan, Sharda. Okay. So now, once we are aware about the quadrants, we have a basic idea about the standard angles. It's time to know about trigonometric values of the standard angles of the first quadrant, right? So what are the trigonometric values of the standard angles of first quadrant? For that, I'm introducing all of you to the standard triangles. Okay. So these standard triangles are unique in nature because first thing you have to memorize these triangles. मतलब ये अपने आप याद हो जाएगा. It's not difficult to memorize these angles, right? So this is first triangle. All these triangles have the standard angles of the first quadrant. And all of you tell me, anyone who is unaware about Pythagoras theorem? Anyone who is unaware about Pythagoras theorem? Okay, I'll tell you about the Pythagoras theorem. It says, those of you who are not aware, please find this. I'm just writing it here. If the sides of the triangle, right angle triangle are, if the perpendicular sides of the right angle triangle are A and B, and its hypotenuse is C, right? Sides of the perpendicular sides of the triangle are A and B, and the hypotenuse is C, then A square plus B square is C square. This is Pythagoras theorem, right? Just remember it. The square of the sum of the perpendicular sides is equal to the sum of the squares of perpendicular sides is equal to the square of hypotenuse. So now, in this case, this is a triangle A, B, and C. It is an isosceles right angle triangle, 45, 45 degrees. This is another triangle A, B, and C. This is 30, 60, and 90. And this is the last one. It's a unique triangle, though these angles are not there in the standard angles, but it's a unique triangle. The sides are 3, 4, and 5. Why I chose this triangle? Because it is the smallest Pythagorean triplet. 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. So this is the smallest Pythagorean triplet. The angle between 5 and 3, beta please ध्यान से सुनो. The angle between 5 and 3 is 53 degrees. And this angle is 37 degrees. We can easily find out by knowing that the sum of the inner angles of the triangle is 180 degrees, right? So two angles are known to you, 90 and 53. You can find the third one. I hope I'm making sense to all of you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So now in this case, the sides are 1, 1, and of course the hypotenuse will be √2. And here the smallest side is 1, the biggest side is 2. Once you are aware about this, this will be √3. Now, all of you are aware about this first slide. If you are not, then check. Right? How to find the value of the angles, right? Sin theta, P by H, cos theta, B by H, tan theta, P by B. Rest of them are inverse to this. So, here, all of you have to write these values. So, first one is sin 30 degrees. What is it equal to? Second is cos 30 degrees. What is it equal to? Third is sin 45 degrees. What is it equal to? Fourth one is cos 45 degrees. Fifth one is sin 60 degrees equal to. Sixth one is cos 60 degrees. What is it equal to? Seventh is 45 हो गया? हाँ. Sin 37 degrees. Eighth is cos 37 degrees. Ninth is sin 53 degrees. this is what all of you have to find the values. And the 10th one is cos 53 degrees. Now, how you have to do it? I'll just do one for you. Okay, all of you, please pay attention. Who is going to help me in this? Anyone who volunteers for it? Prakriti, you want to participate? Anyone who wants to volunteer? Shreyang? Nobody? चलो, ऐश्वर्य है ऐश्वर्य?
यस सर।
चलो, तुम बताओगे ऐश्वर्य? मेरी हेल्प करोगे इसमें? चलो आप ये बताओ ऐश्वर्य, हमको 37 डिग्री का साइन और कॉज लिखना। वी वांट टू राइट साइन एंड कॉज ऑफ 37 डिग्रीज, राइट?
ओके सर।
ओके, ऐश्वर्य, विच साइड विल बी परपेंडिकुलर फॉर 37 डिग्रीज?
37।
हाँ, कौन सा साइड परपेंडिकुलर होगा? ये तुमने देखा परपेंडिकुलर, ये याद है?
यस सर।
द साइड ऑपोजिट टू द एंगल इज परपेंडिकुलर। ठीक है बेटा?
ठीक।
तो विच साइड इज परपेंडिकुलर फॉर 37 डिग्रीज?
ए बी।
AB. So this is perpendicular piece. So write it like this. This side will be base, and of course this will be hypotenuse. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no, kids?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
sine 37 is how much? Sine 37 is perpendicular, which is 3 in this case, divided by hypotenuse, which is 5 here. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no?
यस सर।
Yes.
Shabash. So that's how you have to find the values. Okay. So please fill in the blanks here till 10th question. All of you, please do it. One I have done for you. You want me to do some more for you, or you can do it on your own? Karishma, Sanvi, Ashwarya, Shreyank, Atharv, Sharda, आप लोग करेंगे? Okay,
Yes, sir.
please do it.
Yes, sir.
करो करो, शाबाश. Prakriti, have you shared the details of your parents, beta? करो ये इसको सॉल्व. I'll be back in a minute, huh? Please आप लोग सॉल्व करिए. प्रकृति 9th वाला चेक करो. Ninth. Rest of you, please share your answers. Yes. Very good, beta. Very good, Athar. Shabash. Athar, you are in which standard? 7th or 8th?
8th, sir.
8th. And you are from which city, Athar?
Bangalore, sir.
Bangalore. You're going to some coaching?
No, sir.
Good. And you are aspiring for?
Not yet decided.
Not yet decided. No worries. It's good. This clarity is also required, that whether you have decided or not. I'm waiting for your answer, kids. Uh, please share your answers, everyone. Sharda, check the ninth one, beta. Ninth and 10th. Okay. Okay. So I can see most of you have answered this question. Very good, Sharda. Corrected it. So I'll just fill in the values here quickly. This is 1 by 2. This is root 3 by 2. Those of you who have not yet given me, please check it because it's already 9:40. So this is root 3 by 2. This is 1 over 2. This is 4 by 5. This is 3 by 5. Sorry, this is 4 by 5 again. Sine 53 is 4 by 5. And cos 53 is 3 by 5. Right? So these are the answers. Now, with this, it's time to build the table. Let's make this table quickly. It's a 7 cross 9 table. All of you, you can make it with me. So please make it. एक मिनट, ये मुझसे गलती हो गई है। So these are the functions. This is 0 degrees, 30 degree, 45, 60, 90, 180, 270 and 360. Okay. This is sine, this is cos, this is tan, this is cosec, this is sec, and this is cot. So I'm just filling in the values of sine and cos because rest of them you can fill it on your own. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. You just have seen it. This is 1 over root 2. This is 3 by root 3 by 2. This is sine 90 is 1. Sine 180 is 0. This is minus 1. Sine 360 is 0 again. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. This is 1 over root 2. This is 1 by 2. This is 0. This is minus 1. This is 0. This is 1 again. Rest you can do it on your own, right? So you have to memorize these values because they are important ones. Okay. Draw it quickly. So you can draw this table and I can see all of you. करिश्मा 9th वाला थोड़ा गड़बड़ है बेटा, चेक कर लेना एक बार, हाँ 9th वाला, ठीक है? So this is the trigonometric table which you have to memorize, ठीक है? And remembering these values will give you an edge while doing problems in trigonometry. So please make this table and once you are done, just let me know you are done. And then I'll take a quick feedback. Please don't leave the session without giving the feedback. Okay, kids? I want to talk to you for 2 to 3 minutes. Noted, all of you? Or you can take a screenshot of this. Yeah,
Yes.
good. Take a screenshot of this. And once you have this once you have this recording, you can note it. So a quick, very good. So Sharda, how was the session for you? This is a quick feedback session. I just want to know whether you understood the session or not, how you liked it or not, whether your doubts were attended or not. And that's it. So yes, Sharda, how was the session for you? And were you
It was
aware about
actually
trigonometry? Were you aware
no,
about
not
trigonometry
really.
before? Okay. And
I just had a very basic idea about it, but I
okay.
didn't know like in detail or like what it was used for or anything like that. It was a
Okay.
nice session. I understood most of it.
Great. Anything which was left, which you are not able to understand?
No, I didn't have any doubts. It was very well explained.
Okay. Okay. Great. So, Sanvi, what about you?
Yes, sir. It was a very good session. I was able to understand the concepts, and I also felt the practice was much better because it helped me understanding the concepts. So it was a good session, sir. It was indeed good.
Okay. Thank you so much. Karishma, what about you?
Sir,
कैसा था बेटा सेशन? समझ आया आपको कि नहीं है?
yes. Sir,
पक्का?
it was
हाँ.
very interesting and it was very good.
It was very good. You understood or not?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Any doubts you have?
No, sir.
No? Good.
Question,
Atharv, what about you?
Yes, sir. It was a good session, sir. I understood everything and it was well explained.
You were aware about trigonometry beforehand?
No, sir.
No, and you were very good. Okay, that's great. Aishwarya, what about you?
Sir, it was a good session and I understand a lot.
Very good. Very good. Thank you so much, kids. So it was very interesting session for me also. It was entertaining to teach all of you because you are participating really very nicely. So thank you so much for your precious time, and I hope I have added some value to you in your some academic value to your knowledge base, right? So the feedback will be given to your parents. If you have any doubts, we will be sharing the recordings also. So if you have any doubts or queries, this is my number. You can come back to me at any point in time you feel like. So my number is 957-437-5555. I have shared in the comment window. You can take it from there. It's 957-437-5555. Right? Thank you so much, kids. My best wishes to all of you for whatever future endeavors you take. Right? Do well and be happy. The idea lies in being happy. Right? You should enjoy. So there is no, once you start at this point in time, learning for higher classes, there is no pressure of performance at this time, right? When you enter into 11th standard, then you have a constraint of time. ठीक है? As I was saying to the gentleman who was here, बहुत time है तुम्हारे पास. You have enough time, right? और आराम से अगर सीखोगे आप लोग, तो your learning will be more in depth. It will have more substance because you will not rush through the subjects. Today was just an introduction. There are many reasonings. I really encourage asking questions and all. So no worries about asking questions, but what is the question which needs to be answered? That is more important, right? So thank you so much. Again, my best wishes to all of you and wishing you all a very happy Diwali. Thank you.
Same to you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Vita.
Thank you, sir.